Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you create the mirror shadow effect in CapCut Special Board PC. So for example, select your photo or video that you want to edit, and I'm going to select one photo. But before, I'm going to change for the duration of the image. Just select menu and select settings, select edit and set for the image duration and 0.5 second and add photo or image and copy paste. For the second clip, you are just going to select mirror. You can see, right? So select the clips, copy paste, if you like, until several part. Right, go to effect and select my clip, and then you can select camera shack and just for the range and 50, and then for the speed select 50 again also. So this is the final effect. That's it. Right, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.